Welcome back to a bittersweet video. Yeah, this video is gonna be bittersweet. If I cry, then you can make fun of me all you want. But today we are saying goodbye forever to Epcot Forever, which was the fireworks show, which is only a temporary show anyway. But it kind of got a longer run because of the pandemic and when they brought back fireworks. It's a long story. On the bright side, we're getting a new show, which we get to see in just 2 more days, so that's really exciting. But tonight is the very last show of Epcot Forever at Epcot, and they've been waiting out for spots for quite some time, but we wanted a good spot just because. And I really like this show. A lot of people were like, said not so much, like they really liked Illuminations and stuff, but I think they're really gonna like the new show too, because it's quite the eyesore right now. But yeah, so that's what's happening right now. We're just gonna chill here and wait, and it's not hot anymore, so that's great. Found these. So popcorn ears, they go with the Crocs and the backpack. They smell good. They don't smell like popcorn. For those of you who don't know me, I do not like popcorn at all. So these aren't for me. They are for my dear cousin. But they're Loungefly ears, and they're $40, which seems to be the new trend in the pricing on these ears. But you see, they're scented, and then there's like little popcorn. I don't think it's real popcorn. They look like, I found them at Creation Shop. I'm sure they don't sell out immediately. They're gonna be in most of the places you find ears. So grab one. It's only 7:45, so all right, 25 more minutes. I forgot tissues again, so.
Epcot.